Have you ever wondered how the brain, an organ so complex, manages to adapt and change throughout our lives? This is the marvel of neuroplasticity, a captivating mechanism that shapes our brain and consequently our very existence. Neuroplasticity, in its simplest form, is the brain's ability to reorganize itself, forming new connections and reshaping the existing ones, all in response to our experiences and learning. It's an intricate dance performed by our neurons, a spectacle unseen but deeply felt. This isn't just a fleeting event during our childhood or an isolated phenomenon for the academically inclined. No, neuroplasticity is a lifelong companion, ever present, ever active. It's the silent force that enables us to learn new languages, recover from traumatic injuries, and even surmount the most daunting challenges life throws our way. A fascinating blend of resilience and adaptability. Neuroplasticity truly is the brain's secret superpower. Now let's delve deeper into this fascinating subject. Neuroplasticity might seem like a complex term, but in reality, it's a simple concept that's at the heart of our everyday lives. Neuroplasticity, or brain plasticity, is the brain's extraordinary ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections throughout life. It's like the brain's version of a traffic rerouting system. When one road closes, another one opens. To put it in simple terms, think of your brain as a dense forest. This forest is filled with countless paths. These are the neural pathways that information travels along. Every time we learn something new, we're creating a new path in this forest. Repeatedly traveling down this path, or repeatedly practicing what we've learned, strengthens this path, making it easier for information to travel along it. This is how we become better at certain tasks, from playing a musical instrument to speaking a foreign language. On the other hand, when we stop using a path, it becomes overgrown and harder to travel along. This is why, if we don't practice a skill, we find it harder to do over time. It's a case of use it or lose it. But neuroplasticity isn't just about learning new skills. It's also crucial for recovery from brain injury. When part of the brain is damaged, other parts can sometimes take over the functions of the damaged area, forming new paths to reroute the information. The brain's ability to reshape itself is not limited to the young but persists throughout life. This is a departure from the long-held belief that the brain is a static organ and opens up exciting possibilities for lifelong learning and recovery from brain injuries. However, neuroplasticity is a double-edged sword. While it allows us to learn and adapt, it can also lead to the formation of negative patterns, such as in addiction or chronic pain. So our brain is constantly changing, adapting, and reshaping itself. Isn't that fascinating? Neuroplasticity is not just a concept, it's a powerful tool that has far-reaching implications in various fields. This amazing ability of our brain to adapt and change has transformative potential in sectors as diverse as education, healthcare, therapy, and beyond. Consider the realm of education. When students learn, their brains are not merely absorbing information, they're undergoing physical changes. Understanding neuroplasticity helps us create more effective teaching strategies, customized to individual learning styles. For instance, the traditional one-size-fits-all approach can be replaced with adaptive learning models that cater to each student's unique neural pathways. Next, let's delve into the healthcare sector. Neuroplasticity is revolutionizing the way we approach recovery from injuries, particularly brain injuries. Instead of viewing damage as permanent, we now know the brain can rewire itself, creating new connections to compensate for lost ones. This understanding has led to innovative treatments like neurorehabilitation, which harnesses the power of neuroplasticity to aid recovery. In the realm of therapy, neuroplasticity has brought about a sea change. Mental health professionals are leveraging this powerful phenomenon to help patients overcome challenges like anxiety, depression, and post-traumatic stress disorder. Techniques like cognitive behavioral therapy, for example, are based on the brain's ability to rewire negative thought patterns into positive ones. Furthermore, neuroplasticity is also opening new doors in the field of aging. We once believed that cognitive decline was an inevitable part of growing older. But thanks to neuroplasticity, we now understand that the brain can continue to learn and adapt throughout our lifetime. This paves the way for interventions aimed at preventing cognitive decline and enhancing brain health in older adults. So, you see, neuroplasticity is not just about the brain's ability to change. It's about how this change can be harnessed to transform lives, improve systems, and create a better world. It's about the power of the human brain and its boundless potential. With neuroplasticity, the possibilities are endless. So, now that we understand what neuroplasticity is and its power, how can we use this knowledge to our advantage? Harnessing the power of neuroplasticity is within everyone's grasp. It's all about nurturing our brains in the right way. Cognitive training is one way to do this. It's like a workout for your brain, strengthening those neural pathways through activities that challenge and stimulate your mind. Another powerful technique is mindfulness. By focusing on the present moment, we can train our brains to better manage stress, improve focus, and enhance emotional intelligence. This can reshape our brains in powerful ways over time. Targeted exercises such as learning a new language, playing a musical instrument, or even juggling can also stimulate neuroplasticity. These activities require complex, coordinated movements and cognitive effort, which can help form and strengthen new neural connections. By understanding and harnessing neuroplasticity, we can truly become masters of our own minds. In this journey, we've explored the fascinating world of neuroplasticity. We've peeled back the layers of our brain's remarkable ability to change and adapt, a phenomenon that continues throughout our lives. We dove into the science behind neuroplasticity, discovering how our brains form new connections and reshape existing ones in response to experiences and learning. We've also delved into the power of neuroplasticity, understanding its role in helping us learn new things, recover from injuries, and overcome challenges. We've seen how it's not just about the brain's capacity to change, but also about how we can harness this ability. By understanding neuroplasticity, we can create strategies for personal growth, recovery, and overall brain health. Remember, our brains are always ready to learn and adapt. It's up to us to make the most of this incredible ability. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the mind's remarkable adaptability.